Eberspächer EasyStart Pro. EasyStart Pro is the new permanently installed control unit of our EasyStart family, with intuitive control for water and air heaters. The immediate heating via the long press function is particularly convenient. Thanks to its control knob, the EasyStart Pro offers particularly easy and intuitive navigation. It can be used to set and change all functions. Press the back button to return to the main menu. The coloured LED ring around the control knob adjusts to the respective function. Red for heating, blue for ventilation, and orange to use residual heat. The residual heat function is available for water heaters if the engine is still warm. This heat can then be used for emission-free heating of the vehicle interior. The heat from the engine is transported via the water pump of the preheater to the blower. In this way, the interior continues to be supplied with heat. Neither the engine nor the preheater are in operation. The home screen provides a clear presentation of the system status, about the current operating mode with the set heating period and the current temperature in the vehicle interior. It's also possible to set an endless running time as the heating period. With EasyStart Pro you can program up to 3 timers. You select for which day the function should apply, at what time the device should be activated, and whether to heat or ventilate. You then only have to set the duration and activate the timer. The EasyStart Pro has an integrated temperature sensor for precise temperature display and optimum temperature control. Furthermore, an external temperature sensor can also be connected. With EasyStart Pro, it's possible to control 2 heaters with 1 control unit. It's also possible to combine air and water heaters, in the same way as it is to control 2 identical heaters as one group. In the settings, for example, the current time and the weekday for the timer programming can be changed. EasyStart Pro offers the user an integrated diagnostics function, which provides troubleshooting information. For example, if the air outlets are blocked with objects and the air heater therefore overheats. All settings can be reset and useful additional functions can be set. EasyStart Pro also offers a low temperature mode. If you use an Airtronic heater, the outlet temperature is lowered in low temperature mode. For example, if the air outlets are positioned near the body. If a Hydronic is used, the low temperature mode allows more uniform operation when outdoor temperatures are mild. All heaters can also be controlled using another EasyStart Pro control unit. Alternatively, you can also combine operation with an EasyStart Web. In this way, you can make settings wherever you are. Eberspächer EasyStart Pro, the intelligent control unit for preheaters.